Good morning, everyone. It's August 23rd. Just want to go over yesterday's price action and dive into some potential scenarios for today. So we have this bearish engulfing candle on the daily, right? We see that we pushed up into this gap from the previous all-time high and we got rejected. Right? We talked about this earlier in the week. I talked about this earlier in the week about this 3-day VWAP. Now the week-to-date VWAP becoming support, and if we trade underneath it, it could be signaling some caution. So we see that we pulled down to the 5-day moving average, rallied into the 2-day, and we rejected it yesterday. In the pre-market, we're trading above this volume shelf and yesterday's VWAP and at the 2-day. So we'll see if we can get above the 2-day VWAP and hold this week-to-day VWAP. This is our line in the sand with that 5-day moving average. So if we do crack below the week-to-date moving average here, maybe we come back in, make a new low, rally back up to it, get some long strapped, then start to come down. And we could see a little shakeout like that and more profit taking down into some potential levels. We got 550 as a key level, right? 550's key level here. We have a key level at 543 to 540. And we have some key levels at 536. This is the month-to-date VWAP, and that's where all of this got started. So if it comes down into this area, this will be this previous level of resistance that we broke away from, could have the opportunity to act as support. And if we put a fib retracement, that's about 0.618 retracement. It's about a 0.382 retracement. So if we put a fib extension, see, we rallied right up to that 2 area of that fib extension. If we let's get to the scenario where we hold. So say we hold, Powell's great, the news is good, catalyst is in play. Maybe we rally up to here, could reclaim that daily VWAP, and we're off to make a new all-time high. So that's what I'll be looking for, is to see if we get this fine line in the sand, respecting the 5-day moving average. It's still rising. However, we are seeing some caution as we're trading underneath. Let's get to that QQQ. Same thing, right? Bearish engulfing candle at this previous area. Some people will say this is going to be a head, shoulder, but at the same time, we got a head, shoulder. I'm all over. So I don't know which one you see, which one I see. I'm just it doesn't. It's irrelevant to me. What we see here on the intermediate time frame is the 5-day moving average trading underneath the price, trading underneath that 5-day moving average, which is giving us caution. We talked about the same thing. See that week-to-date VWAP acting as a guardrail, broke underneath the 5-day, and now we're pulling into this gap VWAP from August 12th. So this is going to be a key level here. We could see this VP node with this volume VWAP from the gap. If this starts to break and this starts to act as resistance, we'll see a potential level of 460 and 454. This is down with our month-to-date VWAP and this previous low. So we'll do the same concept here. If we take this fib extension, come back into this, right to that 2 point, right? If we take a Fibonacci retracement to see, right, key levels 0.382 is 0.618 retracement here. So this scenario is going to be similar to what the SPY is. Okay, we're trading at the daily VWAP. We'll be looking at maybe we get some more profit taking, get some shorts excited, right, and then rebound. Okay, and then look to see if we could get that back above that 5-day moving average with a new high. But again, that week-to-day VWAP's the line in the sand. So if this does happen, this 5-day moving average will be continuing to decline. So this will be a rally to a new low underneath a flat to declining 5-day moving average. So that's going to be a big caution signal. And if you were looking to short, this is a resentless bull market, but if one was looking to short, that could be an opportunity to get down to this 462, 455 area, with the stop pretty much looking to get into 476 with a stop at 480 or so to catch that move. I'm going to be looking to see the same concept. Maybe we get like we talked about, the news is good and we get a rally up, shake out to the 2-day daily VWAP, and then get going up to 494. So some potential scenarios that I'd be looking for today, monitoring this week-to-date VWAP. If we could trade above it and hold it and get above that daily VWAP, that's going to be giving some evidence buyers are regaining control. If we continue to trade it and reject that week-to-date VWAP, it's giving us evidence that buyers are losing control and we're getting some more profit taking. Hopefully this was helpful.